All right. Party hats.
What are these?
These are party headbands.
Pandas.
That's a panda.
Okay.
That's a fox. What does the fox say? It's a squirrel.
Is that a squirrel?
It sure is. Look, his round ears.
Oh, okay.
That's a squirrel.
Okay.
That's a sloth. That's a cow.
Moo.
That's a
Koala.
This is for birthdays.
Koala.
These are headbands for birthdays. Piggy.
Pig.
Chipmunk.
Chipmunk? Yeah. I was going to say, I think that's more like that.
And then, what's this?
It's a hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Like that.
Yes, like that. Mm-hmm.
Frog.
Frog.
Snake.
Well, perfect.
Snake.
Oh, snake.
Snake?
Yeah.
Tiger.
Little leopard or something.
Yeah.
Goat.
Goat. Bear.
Bear. Crocodile.
Or alligator.
Wow, this is great.
Monkey.
Monkey. This is better than I thought.
Bunny.
Bunny.
Big frog.
Frog.
Tiger.
Reindeer.
Reindeer.
Owl.
Owl.
Raccoon.
Raccoon.
Beaver.
Beaver. Parrot.
Yeah, or toucan.
And elephant.
Elephant. And then here, let me see here. Hold that for a second. So then it comes with these things.
I'll be an owl.
So take these things. And then there should be like a spot here. Yeah.
You go into the hole.
Go like.
Oops, I'm sorry. I had that pointed down.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah, it goes the other way.
You focus on what I'm doing, on the camera, and I'll focus on what I'm doing.
Okay.
There we go.
I'll tell you it goes the other way.
Goes the other way? All right, cool. Yeah, you're right. Otherwise, it'd be reversed. All right. So we go from the back through the hole.
And then this goes over to the other side.
I think it goes like this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Just put that in there. And then, you go like this. And then you go like that. And it's your headband.
Nice.
It's your party hat.
Nice.
Happy birthday. I was trying to find Japanese kawaii style, but this was like the best I could find on Amazon.
Cool.
They were pretty cheap too. I think these were like $10 for what, 48?
Yeah.
Whew. It comes with the elastics too.
Very cool.